Hey guys, check out my latest wireless battery power IP camera, EMILAB EC4. It is loaded with 2.5K crystal clear and 4 megapixel live stream. Full color night vision with a spotlight. Only record when motion is detected through PIR. IP66 weatherproof, free online cloud storage, and more. Yup, this is EMILAB EC4 Spotlight Battery Camera Set. It comes with an EC4 camera and a smart hub. Everything comes well protected. Take your time to unbox it. Excellent build quality with sturdy glossy plastic housing. Consider small as an outdoor camera. Yes, it is weather resistant. The front part is loaded with a lot of stuff: spotlight, lens, light sensor, motion sensor, microphone, and status LED. At the back, there are mounting hole and speaker, sync power button, and micro USB charging port with cover at the bottom. And here is the mounting bracket that let you attach EC4 against the wall. This is the smart hub. The status LED is located at the front. At the back, there is a speaker on the top, followed by alarm button, USB charging port, Ethernet port, power port, and reset button. MicroSD slot is located on the right. Two large U-shaped anti-skip pad at the bottom. That's it. As for accessories, there is a power adapter for worldwide usage. Mine is EU plug. You can get the correct one for your own country. Have a closer look at the mounting bracket. You can install EC4 with the adhesive pad or with the screw provided. This is the micro USB charging cable and network cable for the hub. Warranty info card just in case you need it. Finally, a user manual in multiple languages. Do read it carefully before install and use EC4. Alright, here is the optional solar panel. A very solid one with metal housing. And here is the mount. Metal as well. Some screws and user manual for installation. By the way, it has a micro USB port with a rubber ring. Rest assured that your EC4 charging port is free from water. Installation is simple. Just follow the instruction in the user manual and EMILAB Home app. You can install EC4 at any place that you prefer, indoor or outdoor, more than 30 meters from the hub. Yes, receive real-time notification alert whenever the alert rules is triggered. You can check the recorded video clip with the EMILAB Home app then. Yes, continuous recording is supported in EC4 this round. Each video clip is 60 seconds max, and it will continue to record the next one. You won't miss out anything from now on. You can download it or view it directly with your smartphone. As for image quality, it is great during bright daylight. The lens is wide and can cover a lot of stuff. AI-based motion detection is great too. You will only record humans and not a moving object like swinging leaf. Indoor image quality is great as well. The WDR mode does a great job, no doubt. As for the night, it is decent. Here is the sample of the non-WDR mode video. And this is with WDR turn on only. Followed by black and white IR night vision, great for totally dark places. And the last one, color night vision with spotlight. That's the best one too. Two-way audio is excellent. Microphone does a great job, no doubt. Listen to it yourself.
Testing the microphone of the Imilab EC4. So how is the performance? Based on my voice over here, is the voice recording working properly? You let me know. Okay? Thanks.
And as for the speaker, clear and loud is what you get. Hello. I'm testing the speaker right now. So how is the speak performance from Imilab EC4? So it's loud or clear or anything? Okay? Please let me know. Thanks. The sirens can be louder. Okay during the day, better at quiet nighttime. Don't forget the must-have weather resistant as an outdoor camera. EC4 is performing great here too, no doubt. Alright, let's have a look at the Imilab Home app now. Do take note that my EC4 is a pre-production unit, and this is the current Android application. Here is the stuff in Smart Hub. Yes, it can support 512GB memory card. I failed to connect to the hub to a router through wireless for the moment. FYI, I received 4 updates since I got my EC4. Yep, you can see the current view from the main page directly. And access more function through the live view. Take a photo, record video, and even switch on the spotlight. Based on specs, EC4 can last for 100 days, shorter if there is a lot of recordings, longer for less, unlimited when connected to a solar panel. Be sure to turn WDR mode for better and more details. And here is the night vision settings. Just pick the one that you prefer. Select the detection period that you need only. This will save battery life. Two detection modes. Record immediately or after a certain period. Just set the video clip length as auto and retrigger interval as 0 second. This will record everything. EC4 can record based on activity zone 2. Up to 4 zones can be set. And there is an audio-visual alarm too. Here is the local video from the SD card. And the wireless test signal too that useful during EC4 installation. Well, that's all for Imilab EC4 review. A solid and performing security camera indeed. Wait no more and get yours with the link below. Thanks. I'm Jace, glad to see you here. Peace.